Hey, welcome back to my channel. Yay, welcome back to my channel. Yay, welcome back to my channel. Yay, welcome back to my channel. What up, y'all? It's your girl Shantae, and once again, I got another banger for you. So today, as you can tell by the title down below, that this video is about my homemade lip balm that I make at home. So I know it is wintertime, and you guys do not want to be walking around with some chapped lips, okay? Yeah, just don't walk around like that, sis. It is not cute, okay? You don't want to be cracking, trying to talk to somebody. I mean, I all know we wearing masks right now, but sis, when you pulled it down to say something, because I don't know why people pull their mask down. If they can't hear something, they be like, huh? Like, does that make you hear better? Like when y'all pull the mask down? Oh, I don't know. Like, why do people do that? All right, I'll get on subject. But, yes, sis, make sure y'all greasing them lips, okay? Grease those lips. It don't matter if you white, black, we all got cracking lips, okay? It does not matter about the color. Cold don't have no type of color to it, okay? It doesn't matter. We all gonna get chapped lips. So, yes, I'm from Philly, but I live in Tennessee, and I know northern girls, it is really cold up north. And, I mean, it's cold down south. Yes, it is. But it's not as cold up north. Like, north cold is something different. Like, it's vicious. You will literally have cracked skin and cracked lips from the wind blowing so hard. Yes, it's that serious. But, yes, either way, you guys. This is safe for children and for adults as well. I mean, of course, for adults. But it's safe for children. So, yeah. I'm going to get into the video, but before I do that, if you a newbie, hey girl, or hey boy, hit that subscribe button down there, and also hit the bell button next to it so you don't miss out on none of my future videos. And if you are an oldie but goodie, hey girl, or hey boy, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. I ask that you will continue to keep supporting me and sharing, liking, comment, all those things you do. I thank you guys so much, and I love you guys, and I will catch you on the other side. Booyah! Okay, you want to start with a nice clean bowl. I have this little like sauce bowl that I got from Walmart. Nothing fancy, and this is 1 teaspoon of coconut oil that I'm putting into the bowl. And it's the solid form. Do not get the liquid form because we need it to melt down with the Vaseline. So yeah, solid coconut oil, pure coconut oil. And this is 1 tablespoon of Vaseline, and it is the regular Vaseline. No extra stuff added to it, none of that, just regular for sensitive skin Vaseline. No scents or anything. Because remember, it's going on your lips and you don't want to taste all of that. So, yeah, just regular old Vaseline. And you want to scoop it in there with the coconut oil. And make sure you get it all in there because we do not want to waste. Okay? We do not want to waste. Yes, and then we're going to pop it in the microwave. And I know that I said 30 seconds on the video, but you want to also make sure it is fully melted, so 30 seconds, maybe longer. And please wear knitted gloves because, child, it burns. I mean, it is so hot, it will burn you. So please, yes. And we're going to take pure vitamin E oil, 4 drops of that added to that mixture. And we're going to mix that in all together. And you see how I said you needed to be the solid coconut oil because it melted in with the Vaseline. So, yeah, it's a method to my madness. And we're going to get a container. I got 2 of those from Walmart for like $1. And I will also provide the links for everything, so don't worry about it. And I'm taking that and filling it all the way to the top. Making sure I get all of the mixture in there. And it can be messy, so yeah, just make sure you screw the lid on tightly because when it goes in the freezer, it's gonna be all frozen together like regular old lip balm. And I'm cleaning it off because, like I said, since it's going to be frozen, it will freeze your lid to it and it'll be hard to open if you don't clean it off. So yes, clean it all off. Make sure you get as much spill off of it as possible, and then you're going to pop it into the freezer for like 10 or 20 minutes. You could do longer overnight. Sometimes I do overnight. So yeah, if you do it longer, that's fine. Nothing will happen to it. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up for you guys so you can see how it looks. Regular old homemade lip balm. Look at that. So yeah, I decided to apply it for you guys, showing you how chapped my lips were before I put it on. And I'm just gonna show you, you just apply it like regular lip balm, and as soon as you put it on, you can really feel it tingling and working. There you go. Mwah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you made it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys do decide to make this concoction at home, let us just know in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you added. Let me know what you took out. Let me know if it worked, if you used all the ingredients. Let me know in the comment section down below. I read every comment. I respond back to everyone. So yes, let us know. And if y'all want to know anything else I make at home, let me know in the comment section down below as well. I make my own face wash, moisturizer, as well as my deep conditioner and shampoo. The only thing I don't make is the toner. I used to use that apple cider vinegar. Sis, dried me out. It's no joke. So, yeah, I just use the regular Bayer Rose toner for that. But anyway, yes. Yeah, if y'all want to know about my little home remedies that I make or whatever at home, and I also do facials at home as well. So I make a mask and all that. So, yeah, let me know. I even know how to make toothpaste if you guys are having problems with like yellow teeth, discoloring teeth from like smoking, coffee, whatever. Let us just know. I got you, sis. I got you. I told you this is where you want to be at. Oh, and I forgot. Please subscribe. Okay? Please subscribe. And let everybody know. Let your mama know. Let your uncle know. Let your daddy know. Let your sister know. Let your cousins, your auntie, let them all know. Come to this channel, subscribe, and you will see more videos. And that's it. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Alright, thanks again, you guys. Hit the subscribe button right there so you can subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button next to it so you don't miss out on none of my videos. And if you want to watch my previous video, hit the link right there.